I made a diagram as well. I'm going to put it online for you. But we're going to do it together because we're going to have to practice a couple times. So first thing you need a square piece of paper. So what you're going to do, you're going to change this into a square. You just line up landscape style here. You're going to you're going to line up this left edge with the top here, like that. Okay? Now, if this is like this, off like this, then you're not doing it correctly. So make sure you're lining up perfectly. This tip here, this tip of this triangle is perfect, not like this, all right? It needs to be right in the center. Take your time, figure these out. When you have perfectly right, then you're gonna crease it like this. Now you're gonna cut this part off. I have the scissors are over there in the bucket by the wall. If you wanna, I was gonna say if you wanna make a line to know what to cut, but you don't need to. Distance learners, I'm gonna put the instructions online as well, okay? My computer is frozen. Pass, can you hear me? All right. So when you open your square here now, you have one line, you have a diagonal line, and I'm going to do this again, do this line here just to show you. You don't have to color yours. So you have a diagonal line this way. You're going to make one going across, so it'll be like an X. So just fold it the other way. Okay? Yeah, you have that. Now you fold the other way. Now, if you hold a square like this, it's going to look like an X. I'm going to do this again so you can see my lines. Okay, so when you're looking at your square on the table, then it looks like your creases looks like an X.
Yep. Can we form a plus on the other side?
All right. Now you're gonna fold it. You have an X. You're gonna fold it in half, like this. You're gonna fold the square in half. You have a square. You're gonna fold that square in half. You have a square. Open your square, and you're gonna fold it in half. So now you have an X and a diagonal line like this. No.
We end up with something like this.
Maybe.
have too many.
I don't think so.
That's the stand for the original.
All right.
Thing, right? Yeah. It is.
So now you're going to, like this, I folded like this. All right, make sure you fold both ways because you have to fold this guy here in like this. See? So you're gonna push those two sides in.
This is the stand from the mobile.
So you're gonna end up with a triangle like this. But you need this half crease so they can go in like this.
Oh, so it's exactly the same as the stand in the.
No, you did a balloon, right? Now you got it. All right, so I'm gonna show this again. So look, I have the square, I have the X and this diagonal line here. Okay, so you have an X and a horizontal line. I'm sorry, I said diagonal. Okay?
This is the stand from the first one.
Then you're going to push these two parts in. And it will take a little bit of holding and adjusting. Okay, so like here, you're gonna push in to become this triangle, like that.
So what happens is you like this, okay? So it's holding itself in like this. Make sure it's all mad. You're trying to go this way, like inside. And then you grab it like this.
No, grab another piece of paper.
You can get the diagonal that way. I just did one like that first. And I pushed it again. So now we've got half of it done.
All right. Okay, now
That was so loud. You said that so
put your mask on. No, it wasn't on properly. Do a knot in there. All right, guys, so now you're gonna do this. You are going to, so here's the thing. I'm gonna explain this to you. Make sure that you're looking so you understand. We could have done, see how this is it's a diagonal line. We could have done the other fold here, but then on your page here, you would have that crease right in the middle. And then when you're drawing, you know, kind of gets in the way. The original instruction does not ask for us to do the other line, but does ask us to fold the wings here onto the middle. Now the thing is, how would you know when it's the middle if you don't have that lining here? So what you can do is look inside here. See, you have this to mark the middle part for you. Okay, so look, let me put some blue ink in here so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so look, here's the blue, and then I can push all the way here, and when I know it's right in the middle, I can crease this. Okay, so you're making this, folding these wings in here like this. Guys, you're talking when I'm talking, it's just so confusing. Can we just listen for a moment? All right. So, okay, now how did I know to fold this much? I looked inside here, okay, and I folded. exactly the same length as this inside part. Did you guys get that? Oh, there's like 2 people told me yes.
Yep.
Yeah. All right, so here's on the other side. Yeah. So look, you are going to fold this. Now you have already a guideline, so you know how much to fold. So fold that like that. Okay? So now you have this. Okay. I'm going to wait until you guys are on this part. Okay? Who's with me? Raise your hand. If you're already folded, you're good. All right, cool. Then I'm going to show you now. So now what you're going to do is you're going to open and then look first, and then you see what you're going to open this section here, and you're going to fold this part that you just folded in. Okay? So look again. I'm going to open here. See, I'm holding this into place, the back into place, and I'm going to fold it in. So you're going to have a little house shape. Now you flip it on the back and do the same thing. Open here and fold it in. Open here and fold it in. So now you have the house shape and all the folds are inside like this. Okay. Help each other. Who got it? Who got the house? Who the inside looks like this? Raise your hand high. Now look around, guys. Look at all these people that can help you. Go ask for help if you need to. No. It needs to look like this. Look. You need to fold. I think what you did, look here, Aria. From here, you fold it like this, but you have to fold it in like this. See? All right? All right, I'm going to stop the video.
Do you need any help?